Level 1. The Numb Arm. You are 9 years old. The courtyard is loud, boys shouting, bodies colliding, dust rising. You are winning. You always win. But something is wrong. They scratch you, digging their nails into your arm. You do not react, not even a flinch. From the balcony, your tutor, William of Tyre, is watching, not the fight, you. He calls you inside. The room is quiet now. He takes your arm, holds a candle close to your skin. Closer. Nothing. No pain, no movement. His face loses all color. He understands. You do not. Not yet. You are a prince of Jerusalem, son of a king, heir to the holiest city on earth. But something has already begun inside you. Something that will not stop. Level 2. The verdict: you are 11. A physician stands in a dim room. Your arm is unwrapped. Pale skin. Dead patches. He presses a needle into your flesh. Nothing. He steps back. He does not need to say it. Leprosy, in this world, that word is a sentence. There is no cure. Your body will betray you slowly. Skin will crack. Nerves will die. Your face will change until no one recognizes you. Most are cast out, forced beyond the walls, living like shadows. But not you. You are the future king, and a kingdom cannot afford weakness. Level 3. The boy. King, you are 13. Your father is gone. The crown finds your head. Too heavy, too soon. The great hall fills with kneeling men, some loyal, others calculating. A sick king is opportunity. Your tutor stays beside you, the only one who sees a ruler. Beyond your walls, the kingdom is fragile and rising in the distance. A name spoken with fear. Saladin. He is coming for Jerusalem. Level 4. The miracle. You are 16. The warning comes fast. Saladin marches with a massive army. Too large to stop, your advisors urge retreat. Hide. Wait. You refuse. You ride. Your hand barely holds the reins, your shield tied to your arm. Your body is already failing, but you lead. Near Montgisard, you strike. They do not expect you. They think you are weak. They think you are hiding. They are wrong. You order the charge. Knights crash into a massive army, steal against numbers, and somehow you win. The enemy breaks. Even Saladin escapes by inches. You return, not as a dying boy, but a legend. For one moment, you forget. Level 5. The Rotting Crown. You are 18. The disease spreads faster. Your hand no longer listens. You press it against the throne. Nothing. Your skin breaks beneath bandages. The court sees it, and they move. Whispers, alliances, betrayal. Your sister's husband rises, ambitious, dangerous. The kingdom begins to crack, and beyond your borders, Saladin waits, patient. Time is on his side, not yours. Level 6. The Iron. Will, you are 20. You cannot walk. You are carried into the court. A silver mask hides your face. Your body weakens. Your mind sharpens. You strip power from those who threaten the kingdom. The court protests. You ignore them. You choose survival over pride. You appoint a regent, not who they want, but who you trust. You are breaking, but your rule is not. Level 7. The Last Ride. You are 21. War returns. A fortress is under siege. Your army hesitates. Too slow. You refuse to wait. You are carried to the battlefield. The soldiers see you. Everything changes. You cannot hold a sword, but you do not need to. You give the order. The army moves. And when Saladin hears you have arrived, he withdraws. He will not face you again. This is your last battlefield. Level 8. The Blind King. You are 22. Darkness, your sight is gone. You rule a kingdom you cannot see. Voices guide you. Pain replaces everything. But you still decide. You still command. You name your successor carefully. Not the man who wants power, but the child who can be protected. You force loyalty, even from liars. Level 9. The Sand Kingdom. You are 23. A child shares your crown. It is fragile, temporary, necessary. Everything feels like sand and the tide is coming. Saladin grows stronger, but you have done the impossible. You bought time, with pain, with sacrifice, with a body that should have failed long ago. Level 10. The price. You are 24. Spring in Jerusalem. You cannot feel it. You cannot see it. You can barely hear it. Your body has reached its limit. 11 years on the throne. You fought everything, not just enemies, but yourself. The room grows quiet. The crown is lifted. Your war is over. Soon Jerusalem will fall, but not today. Today, the pain ends, and you become history.